distinguished guests, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Chulalongkorn University, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome all of you to the AUA Academic Conference, Asian Melting Pot, Asian History through the Multicultural Perspective. Although at this time, we are limited in being able to meet in person, I very much appreciate that we can continue with our meaningful endeavors virtually, thanks to the support of all our partners, colleagues, and friends. First of all, allow me to congratulate the conveners and all the speakers of this unique conference who have made this invaluable academic sharing platform possible. Asia has been truly blessed with abundance. It is a region with a great diversity of people, ideas, cultures, and daily practices. Yet, we must not forget that we have accomplished much throughout history because we have been engaged in active exchanges of information, ideas, thoughts, and feelings. We are now undergoing dynamic and historic transformations that reveal a new awareness, that can alter our fundamental assumptions, and that can enable unprecedented changes. The ongoing pandemic has heightened the sense of urgency for transformation. I am sure that each of us, no matter where one comes from, has been giving some thought as to where we are heading from here. Given such context, I cannot agree more with the convener that learning from history is essential. We learn from history and our experiences in order to reflect on our present. This supports us to take perspective and responsible action for our future. Importantly, this is not an individual journey. We must be consciously engaged in this process of learning together. As a way forward, I strongly encourage us to continue to engage in dialogue around our societal concerns from an intercultural perspective. Intercultural dialogue is a powerful pathway of learning and an instrument for the co-creation of knowledge that can benefit us all. I believe that by learning from history, we can rediscover common values that strengthen our bonds and enable us to cultivate actions to build a society that is kind to all humanity. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation to the Asian University Alliance, or AUA, for supporting this meaningful platform. Chulalongkorn University is one of the founding members of AUA, and we are committed to serve as its active member in jointly addressing regional and global challenges of our time. I wish you all the best in your deliberations and thought-provoking discussions during the next 2 days of the conference. Thank you very much.